Hello guys, this is VJ back with another interesting video for you. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button so that you will get the video often. Today we are gonna see how to enable two-step verification for WhatsApp. You can do this in very few simple steps. Just open WhatsApp, go to settings. Once you are in settings, go to account, click on two-step verification. Here you can give enable. Once you click enable, just give a random pin or keep a private pin for you. In my case, I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can keep any complex pin. Once this is done, you can give your email so that once if you forget the password, you can use your email to recover your WhatsApp. In my case, I'm gonna skip that. Now that's it guys, two-step verification is done. Click on done. You can disable it anytime when you want. You have to just click disable. If you want to change the pin, click on change pin. You can add email address anytime later if you want. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.